Welcome to Sukri Learnings. In this video, I will explain about Amazon Honeycode and how to build mobile and web applications using it. Honeycode is a low-code platform where you can develop applications without writing any code. Honeycode comes with the spreadsheet model. Build applications for you and your team. No installation required for Honeycode, straight away you sign up and start building applications. Open the browser and visit https://www.honeycode.io/ it will redirect home page. Honeycode is free for up to 20 users with unlimited workbooks with 2,500 rows per workbooks. Click try for free link to sign up. It will redirect to a registration page. Enter your details and click on Create an account. You will receive an email to confirm your email ID. Go to your email inbox and open the received mail from Honeycode. Click on Confirm Now button to confirm your mail ID. Once email verification is completed, it will ask you to sign in. Post signing in, you will land it to the home page of Honeycode. Let's see how to create simple survey applications from existing templates. Click on Create Workbook, navigate to Use Template and choose Simple Survey. The Simple Survey application is created. You can modify the survey spreadsheet as per your use case. Navigate to Applications. You can see 3 screens: Home, Survey, Thank You. Let's begin to test application by clicking on View App. You can see the home page with greetings and begin the survey and provide your feedback. Your feedback will be stored in survey spreadsheet. Now application is ready to share with your team. Go to Team page, click on Add a Member button and invite your team member to use applications. Next video I will show you how to build applications from scratch. Thank you for watching.